All right, guys, it's been close to a month since the Growth Accelerator has been released. And guys, this is where some significant gains are about to be had in this wallet. Okay, so I've dropped some previous information about the Growth Accelerator and what it does. And in this video, I'm going to give you guys some tips, and we're going to talk about how there is great potential of people that don't use the Growth Accelerator to capitalize on some 27.5% discounts in the marketplace. This is going to be huge, guys, and it's all per design. So in this video, I'm going to give you tips. I'm going to explain some of the math that goes into it so that you guys have full clarity on it. Now, I know quite a bit of you guys that have been in BitNest have just started using the wallet, so you might not be familiar with all of the features, but I encourage you guys, do your research, learn the features, ask questions, because this way you will be able to capitalize on every feature of the wallet that's available to you. Now, with that said, guys, understand that there is a cost to participate in the Growth Accelerator here. And I opened up this wallet just to show you guys, if I was to come out and activate it, it is now at a price point of 0.0005 Bitcoin, which is about $33. So you might be asking yourself, hey, when should I use it and when should I not use it? Should I get this Growth Accelerator at all? Well, if you only have a couple $100 in your wallet, like this one here, in this particular wallet, I only have like $15 worth of credits that are converted into Bitcoin. If you only have a couple $100 of Bitcoin in your wallet, then this would not be a good feature for you to get right now because the price is too high. You're going to essentially pay $33 for something that is going to take you a long time to recoup that with such a small balance. But for those of you guys that are sitting on 500 plus thousands of dollars and things like that, definitely this is something that you want to get. And eventually the price point is going to get so high that it's going to be too expensive for many users to participate. But here's the beautiful part, guys. In the design of this, I have not forgotten about you participants that cannot afford to get into the Growth Accelerator, because it's through this feature here that people that use it will benefit. And I'm going to show you in this video how you, as a user of the wallet and have access to all the other earning features, will still be able to capitalize on this by getting discounts in the marketplace at a 27.5% discount. Now, this isn't a guarantee, guys, because there are certain levels that the system is going to have to go through before it presents that in the marketplace. But let's just consider this, guys. Right now, here today in the marketplace, if we come down and do a search on Bitcoin price, this right here is going to break down for you what the current price of Bitcoin is and how much you can actually get Bitcoin for by using your Bitcoin and getting discounts in the marketplace. So where you would normally pay $66,000 for some Bitcoin in the off the market, you can take some of that Bitcoin purchase credits, let those credits convert, and you're essentially getting it at an 8% discount, guys. This is just 8%. Imagine this. Price is $66,000. You can get it at $61,000. Imagine what a 27.5% discount would look like. This is huge, guys. So I don't know if you are really grasping this in your mind, but this is the potential that the wallet is currently kicking out. And this is going to start like on the 7th. So today is the 2nd of April. And if I open this wallet, this is the first campaign I created. And I created this on March the 8th, as we see here, okay? This is going to start paying out on the 7th, I believe. So it started off purchasing the delayed credits. So if I come out here and see, it gives me a list of all the activity that it's been doing. So here it is on the 8th of March. So it will start paying out on the 7th. Okay, so essentially when it starts paying out, I'm going to get 100% of this back in Bitcoin. So I put this amount in Bitcoin. It's going to pay me back $34 for this amount here in Bitcoin. And depending on if the system pays out in credits or Bitcoin, if I get paid out in credits, then I'm going to get a substantially higher amount of 20% of that in credits. And I have this particular campaign here to auto sell these credits. So in this campaign I listed here, that should pay out on the 7th. You see that is auto sell there. So it's going to automatically sell my credits. Now guys, let me step through the process of what it's going to take for that 27.5% discount to be listed in the marketplace. Okay, first and foremost, if it pays out in credits, and it has to do that first, right? If it pays out in Bitcoin, of course, there are not going to be any credits available to sell. But if it pays out in credits, I'll receive that 20% in credits. And what it's going to do is hold on to those credits for maybe about 16 hours or something like that, and allow new purchases from this process to have first dibs on those credits. Because understand the way that delayed credits work. In order to purchase delayed credits, you have to purchase credits from the marketplace. So if any of the automated processes through the Growth Accelerator need to purchase credits from the marketplace, it's going to do that automatically, and it's going to tap into what's being sold automatically from other campaigns. Okay, so that's going to have first dibs on it. It is going to purchase it at a 5% discount, but that's going to give the ecosystem profits. So the seller of these credits will benefit, the buyer will benefit, because this is the gateway into the delayed credits, and the system itself is going to capitalize on 20+% of that transaction. Okay, that is the first level that it has to go through. The next level it has to go through are people that want to purchase credits through the order credits feature. Okay, so what this is, guys, for those of you that don't know, is that if you want to purchase credits at a certain percentage that's not currently available in the marketplace, and if it is available in the marketplace, this will go ahead and scoop it up at one time. But if it's not available, it will sit and wait on someone to offer credits for sale at the discount that you specify. So let's say right now I'm sitting on this amount of Bitcoin. Let's say I want to purchase 0.0005 worth of credits. So that's about $33 worth of credits. And I want to purchase it at a 20% discount. Now at this stage of the game, guys, it used to be where you can purchase higher discounts. Right now it's capped out at 20%. So if you want to purchase some credits at 20% or something like that, or 15% or 5%, you can put that in. But the greater discount, the better it is for you, because you are getting more Bitcoin for your Bitcoin, right? So when we mark this 20%, I come out here and say, okay, I am going to essentially put in an order. So anytime someone puts in an offer for the sale of credits that is 20% or above, this will activate and pick that up. Now, keep in mind, this order will be competing with other buy orders as well, but essentially the Growth Accelerator is going to be kicking out more offers automatically, right? So it will be good to have these buy orders in place for those of you that understand the system and want to acquire more credits. Because at this stage of the game, guys, when you look out at the marketplace, and let's see what's available. I think it was like 8% is the highest, but right now in the marketplace it's showing the top for this amount here is like 5.5%. I'm going to increase this just to show everything that's out there. And so we got one sale being offered at 8%. We got another 2 at 6%, but notice these are higher amounts that are being sold. So essentially, guys, this is the norm of the marketplace now. And again, when we look over here at this price, that is still significant, right? We're talking about $5,000 difference there, guys. So when we have greater discounts, we get greater opportunity. Okay. Now let's say someone or the automated system puts out discounts at a 20% discount or more. Well, again, that's where these buy orders come in. So me, myself, I could come out here and list an order to say buy this much at a 20% discount. And if I confirm that, I'll submit this order. And if there are any existing orders out there, it will scoop those up immediately. But just as we've seen, there aren't. So this will be here. It'll say, hey, this is Bitcoin that's locked to buy credits. And if I click on this, I'll see this order out here. This the desired discount that I want. So anytime something drops where it's a 20% discount or more of credits, this order will pick it up. So this is the second level that these credits must get through in order to be listed in the marketplace. And if there are no buy orders pending, then those offers will be listed in the marketplace at a 27.5% discount. Now, guys, I want you to remember back here in this forum, I explained in great detail how the math works and how the end user or the participant of the growth accelerator benefits from it. Because if their goal is to have more Bitcoin faster and have it completely on autopilot, this is the solution. And I put this video clip here just to demonstrate exactly how these numbers benefit the owner of a growth accelerator. But for those wallets that do not use the growth accelerator, this is what is available to you potentially. Okay, so you guys that want to jump in on it, put in those buy orders or participate in the growth accelerator yourself. Alternatively, if you do neither of those, this is a banger, guys, because you can literally purchase 27.5% discounts in the marketplace and immediately relist those credits for sale in the marketplace. So as we've seen in the marketplace, imagine this, guys. Credits are now being offered in the marketplace at 8%, 6%, 5.5%. And these are higher amounts. So I can easily sell a lower amount at a 6% discount or maybe even a 6.5% discount, guys. So if I pick up some credits at a 27.5% discount, I can immediately list it for sale in the marketplace at a 16.5% discount, which is minus 16.5. And I would walk away with an 11% profit immediately. Let this sink in, guys. I'm trying to tell you how the system works and how it's going to benefit each and every participant of the wallet. It is what it is, guys. And keep in mind now that when you list it at 16.5%, of course, the system gets 10%, so it's going to list it here in the marketplace at 6.5%. But nevertheless, buyers are happy, sellers are happy, and the system continues to receive those transaction fees, which are the very source of Bitcoin that's needed to continue the conversions and do everything else that the ecosystem is doing on your behalf. All right, guys, I just wanted to drop this just to give you guys a heads up. You got about 5 days to either get your buy orders in to start participating in the growth accelerator, or neither. Because if you do neither and just log in periodically, you may end up finding some significant discounts in the marketplace, like 27.5%. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video. If you got any comments, questions, leave them below in the description. And always feel free to come out, log your conversations here in the forum too, because this is where a lot of information is taking place. People are asking questions and giving their feedback on the ecosystem. All right, guys, I hope this wasn't an information overload for too many of you guys that are in BitNest, but hey, it works. And there is no rug that you ever have to worry about. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this one. And we will holler on the next one. Peace out.